Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hagerly channel. Today we're going to be covering the topic numbers. We use numbers to tell time, to count money, to tell our age, and so much more. Learning this topic will help you a lot in your Amharic learning journey, so stay tuned. How do you say 0?
Zero.
How do you say 1?
And.
How do you say 2?
Hulet.
How do you say 3?
Sost.
How do you say 4?
Arat.
How do you say 5?
Amist.
How do you say 6?
Sedist.
How do you say 7?
Sebat.
How do you say 8?
Cement.
How do you say 9?
Zeteng.
How do you say 10?
Asr.
To make the numbers 11 up to 19, you join up the tens number, which in Amharic is Asr. Change the last letter from R to Ra, making it Asra and joining it up with the other numbers. If you wanted to say 12, you would say Asra Hulet. If you wanted to say 13, you would say Asra Sost. If you wanted to say 14, you would say Asra Arat. In Amharic, to make the tens place numbers, it's similar to English. You take any tens place number, then add the ones place number. For example, if you want to say 25, you would say Haya Amist. If you want to say 37, you would say Salasa Sawat. If you wanted to say 82, you would say Samania Hulat. How do you say 20?
Haya.
How do you say 30?
Selasa.
How do you say 40?
Arba.
How do you say 50?
Hamsa.
How do you say 60?
سلسة
How do you say 70?
سبا
How do you say 80?
ثمانية
How do you say 90?
زتأنا
How do you say 11?
أسرة أند
How do you say 25?
هيا أمست
How do you say 73?
سبا سوست
How do you say 50?
همسة
How do you say 90?
زتأنا
I use numbers for a lot of things. I use them to count money, I use it to tell time, I use it to count my age, and so much more. What do you use them for?
I use them, for instance, I use them to talk about different age groups. I would, for example, say an infant is a child from the ages 0 to 1. This in Amharic would translate as 0 and. Or I would say a toddler is a child from 1 to 3. This in Amharic, just the numbers in Amharic would translate as and sost. What else do you use numbers for?
As I said, I use numbers to count money. So the Amharic way of saying the Ethiopian banknotes is bir. So you would say and bir, amist bir, asr bir, hamsa bir, meto bir, hulam meto bir. What else do you use them for?
Oh yeah. I would use them to tell time. In Amharic, when we talk about time, when we tell time, we start with the hour first and then the minute second. For instance, if I wanted to tell time to somebody and say that it's 10 past 1, I would say in Amharic, the numbers would translate as 1 is and, 10 is asr. For the colon, we use the connector, the letter connector called ka. So together it would produce and saat ka asr.
That makes so much sense. Haggling is one of the most normal parts of our culture. If you're shopping in Addis, it's normal to go from one shop to another to check the prices. So while shopping, you might need to use a big digit number. So let's start with 100. 100 in Amharic is meto. 1000 in Amharic is andishi. So if you want to say any hundreds place digit number, you'd say the hundreds place digits, the tens, then the ones, exactly like English. For example, if you wanted to say 213, you'd say hulam meto asra sost. This is the same thing for 1000 till 100,000 place numbers. First, you'd say the 100,000th place, then the 10,000th place, then the 1,000, then the hundredth place, then the tenth place, then the ones place. So for example, if you wanted to say 400,170, you'd say 400,170. You're doing amazing! Today we've tried to cover numbers, more specifically, numbers from 0 to 100,000. Try to use these numbers in Ethiopian shops to tell your age or tell time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, ciao!